60% of Google searches now end without a single click. That means more than half of the people searching for pool builders in your market might never see your website. And here's what you need to do about it. My name is Connor Witter. I'm the owner of Crew Marketing, a marketing agency that helps pool builders get more qualified leads through Google. We've used Google to help pool builders generate millions of dollars in booked jobs per year. We work in the most competitive pool markets in the country: Texas, Florida, Arizona, California. And what I'm about to share with you is exactly what we're doing to get ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and Grok, and all the other AI searches to recommend our clients over their competitors. In this video, I'm going to cover what AI search is, how it changes the Google landscape for pool builders and other businesses, and what you need to do about it right now. What's happening right now is Google is generating AI written answers for the top search results, the AI overviews. When a homeowner is searching for, how much does a pool cost in Austin, or how much does a pool cost in California, or best pool builder near me, Google is writing a summarized answer, pulling from multiple sources, and sometimes recommending specific businesses directly. On top of that, more homeowners are actually skipping Google entirely and going straight to ChatGPT or Grok or Gemini or Claude and asking who's the best pool builder in their market. And those platforms are giving them direct answers. The key takeaway here is that for basic informational searches, less visitors are able to get to your website. And so you need to convey your expertise in a way so that AI will recommend you and use your content to source its information. AI overviews reduce clicks by roughly 58% on searches where they appear. 32% fewer businesses show up in AI-powered local results compared to the traditional maps pack. The filter is getting tighter and tighter. However, direct searches like pool builder near me still mostly show ads and map packs, but the research phase is what's getting replaced the most. Like, how much does a gunite pool cost? In-ground pool versus above ground pool. Best pool features for resale value. That's where AI is dominating. That's where homeowners are building their short list before they start calling builders. So if AI is answering those research questions and citing your competitors' content, you've already lost before the homeowner types pool builder near me. I've talked before about showing up in the 5 different spots in Google: ads, LSAs, maps, and organic. AI overviews are now the 5th placement and typically sit above everything else depending on the search. Thankfully, if you're running ads, your ads still work the same. Google is not killing the thing that makes him the most money, but your SEO, your website, your Google business profile, and reviews all need to be structured in a way that AI can find you and trust you, because AI is now the gatekeeper deciding which businesses get served and which ones get ignored. Right now, there are 2 types of pool builders. They're the ones that are positioning themselves for AI search. They're adapting early. They're making changes as the market and the technology adjusts. And then there are the ones who are unaware of this and who are starting to see that their leads are dropping and wondering what's going on. Unfortunately, 90% of pool builders have no idea this is happening. But if you're watching this, you're not one of them. You're already way ahead. So what do you do about this right now? Step 1, fix your website so AI can actually read it and understand it. Most builders' websites are a gallery with a phone number, and AI can't really pull any useful information from that. You need dedicated service pages for each type of pool you build: gunite, vinyl, fiberglass, all with real descriptions, not just photos. You need FAQ sections on all your key pages, answering the exact questions that homeowners are asking in really simple language. How much does a pool cost? And then you need location-specific content. And if you can give localized, specific pricing for your market, all the permitting information you might need, project timelines that are specific to the region, and all the considerations, AI is going to rather serve content that's locally relevant. And so you'll be rewarded for that specificity. Step 2 is adapting your business profile and treating it like a data asset. AI is cross-referencing your GBP with your website. And so if they don't match the services on the Google business profile and the services described on your website, if that's inconsistent, you're not going to show up. AI's confidence in your business is going to drop significantly, and you'll get filtered out. You'll be replaced by businesses that have more thorough and relevant content. This is so simple, but complete every single field on your Google business profile. Every service needs to have descriptions, populate your Q&As. Most builders don't realize that you can actually answer all these questions and feed AI the content that it's actually looking for. Most builders don't know you can do this. You can actually structure all that content in a way that AI will extract it and therefore recommend you because it's pulling that value from you and therefore trusting you as the best builder in that area. Reviews matter now more than ever. AI is pulling reviews to generate summary statements to understand what the market is actually saying about your business. And so if your reviews contain lots of rich keywords and content like referencing saltwater or gunite or spa design, AI is able to pull that information and understand who is actually the best builder based off of what real customers and real people are saying. And then responding to those reviews gives you another opportunity to enrich that review in that context. Step number three is to create content that AI wants to cite. The way that AI and LLMs work is it relies on expert written content from other websites to train its model to understand how to respond and answer the searcher's questions. So content like cost guides with local data of how much does a pool cost in Austin in 2026, or how much does a pool cost in Tampa, with real ranges and real numbers from your projects, that's exactly what AI overviews want to surface. Then having process explainer content that walks through what to expect when building a custom pool with specific timelines and steps. Another great type of content is comparisons. So comparing a gunite pool versus a fiberglass pool renovation versus a pool repair or a pool resurfacing job, and just walking through all these different questions that maybe the uninformed searcher might have. A helpful pattern here is having clear headers and clear content that matches exactly what people are searching for, and direct answers within the first one or two sentences so that AI is going to quickly be able to extract the most important piece of information so it can serve it and give it to that person. And therefore, then your website will get referenced and linked within that AI search result. We've been helping pool builders like Danny and Mark and many others optimize for AI since the inception of it. Danny is ranking #1 on AI. It's basically impossible to not find his business if you're looking for a pool builder in his area. In his first year, he brought in 4.5 million in revenue from Google alone. Year two, he did about 6.5 million in revenue. Then Mark, within a few short months, was able to be recommended within the top 5 in AI search in his area, and then brought in over $1 million in revenue within his first 6 months from Google alone. Right now, AI search is changing incredibly fast, and what's changing almost just as fast is how homeowners are finding pool builders. Most of your competitors have no idea this is happening, but that's your advantage, but only if you act on this right now. If you wait, the market is going to catch up and the opportunity will be gone. If you want help position your pool company in AI search and making sure you're showing up everywhere homeowners are looking, click the link in the description to schedule a call with me personally, and I'll walk through exactly how this looks in your market. Subscribe for more videos on how to get more pool jobs, and I'll see you in the next one.